Sharmila Texart. We are at Narendrapur, Boria region, and our specialization is on our own creations. That is, we block print ourselves in our own workshop. We wholesale to many boutiques in India and in Kolkata too. And our specializations will be shown to you today. Our topic today is Tussar silk kurtis. প্রথমেই আমি দেখাবো একটা তসর সিল্ক কুর্তি যেটার মধ্যে রয়েছে দুপাট্টার সঙ্গে সেট. This is the kurti and the size of it is 42. You can get all the sizes in these kurtis, and along with this is the dupatta. This is the dupatta along with the kurti. You can see it. It's like this. The price of the set is 4,000. The price is 4,000, and you have clearance inside. It can be made to 44 size and 46 size too. This is the first piece, number 1, 4,000. I show you another design. These are all designed by our own designer. This is purple color, and in the front we get kalamkari multicolor print. This is 44 in size, but you can get in all the sizes. And the dupatta goes like this. This is the dupatta. Again, the price is 4,000. 4,000 is the price. 2,500 the kurta and 1,500 is the dupatta. These are all designed by us only. This is black in color. Our next dupatta set and kurta. Size of it is 42, but you can get it till 48, 38 to 48. All the sizes, these are available. So this is black at the back, and front design is like this. Let me show you now the next design. That is again a black red combination. Black, red, gold and maroon, and the dupatta again with it. Price of the set is 4,000. Our phone number is 9874764588. These are all designer sets. Let me show you one design again. The temple design goes like this. It has got embroidery, ari work, hand ari embroidery on its outline. This is the dupatta along with the set. This is 4,400. This is 400 rupees more because of the embroidery done on it. Size is 44, but you can get it from 38 to 48, any size. We customize also. Our phone number is 9874764588. I show you our next design. We have got our own designer. We wholesale to whole India. We have got our own workshop. These are all customized pieces and designer pieces too. This is the dupatta. The set is 4,000. We have got our showroom at 105 Nilachal Complex, Narendrapur, and it is on NSC Bose Road, just opposite to Reliance Trends. This is 4,000 again. You take a snapshot and order to us. This is called overlapping print. This is an effect created on it. This is overlapping print. This has been printed 3 to 4 times to create this effect of it. And again a dupatta along with. This is the dupatta. Set is 4,000 rupees. Our phone number 9874764588. Take a snapshot and place your order. Today's collection, the last piece with dupatta. This is 44 in size. This is golden brown in color. again one designer tussar silk kurta and dupatta set. These are very elegant. You can go to any party, to your office even in this dress. Pure Gachi tussar of West Bengal. Our phone number is 9874764588. 4,000 is the price. Now I go to without dupatta sets. This is black in color with red cord piping given and hand embroidery on the outlines. 2,800 is the price. Tussar silk, pure tussar silk. Inside there is margin. You can increase the size too. It is 44 in size, but all the sizes available. 3, 8, 2, 4, 8. This is golden color, golden and black design. Size here is 46, but again we can make for you, since these are all produced in our own workshop, so we can again make for you 38 to 48 size. This is 2,500 in price, and you get us at 9874764588. For your order, you take a snapshot and send your order to us. We deliver. This is in Kolkata, hand embroidery, 40 in size, but again we can make for you any size you like. Take a snapshot and place your order. In Kolkata, delivery is free. Outside Bengal, 100 rupees is only the delivery charge. This is 40 in size. This is hand embroidery done on it. 2800 is the price. If you have got embroidery, it is 2,800. If it is without embroidery, it is 2,500. This is again one designer piece, tussar silk. We are having our own designer, own tailor. We don't purchase from others. That is our thing. We have got our own weaver. 9874764588 is our phone number. Showroom is at 105 Nilachal Complex, just opposite to Reliance Trends, Narendrapur, near Kamalgaji More. This is 42 in size, but again, as I said, all the sizes are available. Please take a snapshot and contact us. Free delivery inside and around Kolkata, but for other states it is 100 rupees only delivery charge, and no cash on delivery available. Bank transfer, phone pay, this can be done. So this is again a designer piece. 9874764588 is our phone number. 2,500 is the price. This is again Ari hand embroidery done on a tussar silk dupatta. This is chocolate in color, backside plain. This size is 46, but again all the sizes can be made. We make ourselves, we don't purchase from others, we are manufacturers. This is 2,800 in price. Please take a snapshot and place an order to us. Thank you for today.